Welcome one and all to this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to log into your dedicated server with PuTTY.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now back to the video.
So firstly, if you don't have PuTTY installed on your computer, go to Google Chrome, type download PuTTY and select the first search result. After you've installed PuTTY, open the application. The interface will look like this. In the hostname section, you must enter the IP address of the dedicated server where you want to log in. Like I am putting a server IP address here. Then you have to click on the open button. Here it has opened a CLI or command line interface window. The first command it asks is login as you can see. Then enter the login username. Here I am putting the login username root. Press enter. Then it will ask you for the login password command. Type the password. You can also copy the password and right click to paste it in the green cursor. Here let me type it first. This is how PuTTY keeps your password safe, making it invisible. So you can see the password is not visible because PuTTY makes it invisible to protect your password. Then press enter. Then it will show you the login history in detail as shown here. After that, you can see that you have access to the dedicated server as a green cursor blinks for your next commands. So type the commands to check the status or server related activities. Like I am giving ls command. Pressing enter. It shows me the contents of the directory in this server. After you finish, close the window. It will display an exit confirmation message. Next, click OK. Here you have the full instruction how to log it to your dedicated server with using PuTTY. Thank you.